So we've all set New Year's resolutions before and found that they typically don't work, and a lot of times it's just not a smart enough goal. And this may be something you've heard about before, but a SMART goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In order to set a SMART goal, we need to make sure that that goal aligns with all of those 5 letters. So an example, financially, we can set goals for the new year, and a bad goal would be to say, I want to try and save money on groceries. It's not specific, it's not specifically measurable. We don't know exactly how much we're trying to save, and it's not really time-based. A good goal would be to say, I want to spend $100 a month or less on groceries, which I know maybe that's not realistic anymore, but that's a good specific goal, and I want to do that for 12 months. So you set a time frame in which you're wanting to do that. Another great way to set goals for the new year would be to go and say, I'd like to start saving $50 a paycheck into my investment account. And that's a great way to do that for 12 months, establish a good habit, sometimes out of sight, out of mind. Once it's moved into your investments, you don't necessarily think about it anymore. If you'd like help setting up a SMART goal, please feel free to reach out to a financial advisor here with Summit. We can definitely help you with that. And there's also going to be a PDF attached here to this video that you can download that helps you with setting those goals for the new year.